Here is how you make the perfect iced matcha latte at home. Add 2 large scoops of haiku matcha powder to your bowl. Feel free to add more or less based on personal taste. Sift the powder to ensure that there are no lumps and that your matcha is smooth. From here, you want to add a splash of 70 degrees water to your bowl and use your whisk to combine the powder and the water to form a paste. Add a further splash of water and whisk vigorously using a zigzag motion until a beautiful thick foam forms on the surface. Prepare a large glass of ice and your milk of choice and pour the matcha over the top. Make sure you don't miss a single drop. Now take a moment out of your day and enjoy.